Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a small, about 4 inches, simple, easy to make, but quite pretty snowflake. I will be working using this cotton thread size 10, and my hook is 1.95 millimeter. I am also going to use silver metallic thread for the last round. It's about the same size, but of course this round can be made using thread of any color you like, or even the white color. The snowflake is quick and easy to make. It consists of only 4 rounds, and we'll start with 6 double crochets in a magic loop with chain 5 between those double crochets. I'm making a magic loop. Chain 3 instead of the first double crochet, and chain 5. Now double crochets. This will be the second. Chain 5. 3 double crochets, chain 5. 4, chain 5. 5, chain 5. 6, chain 5. Close the magic loop and make a slip stitch in the third beginning chain. The first round. Now close the magic loop completely and weave in the end of the thread with a needle on the left side of work in 2-3 different directions. You can use stitches also like this. In the second round, in each chain 5 space, we'll be making 3 double crochets, chain 15, and 3 double crochets, and then chain 1 before repeating the same in the next chain 5 space. We'll start with a slip stitch in this first chain 5 space. Now chain 3 as the first double crochet and 2 more double crochets. Now chain 15, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, and 3 double crochets in the same space. One, 2, 3, chain 1 and 3 double crochets in the next space. 1, 2, 3, chain 15, 10, 15, and 3 double crochets. 2, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 15, three more double crochets, chain 1. Well, we have made half of this round together. Continue on your own, please. And at the end, instead of chain 1 and the slip stitch, make a single crochet in this third beginning chain. This way, I have made the last 3 double crochets, and now I'm inserting the hook in the third beginning chain and am making a single crochet. In the third and the last white round, we'll be making single crochet stitches in chain 1 space between 3 and 3 double crochets, and we'll be making double crochets in each odd chain stitch of chain 15 with chain 1 between them. We'll be also making 2 double crochets in chain stitch number 8 of this 15 with chain 3 between those stitches. Since we are supposed to make a single crochet here between groups of 3 and 3 double crochets, we'll start with chain 1 instead of this. First single crochet, and at the end of the round we'll make a slip stitch in this chain stitch. Now we are making another chain stitch. This is for the pattern. And we are beginning to make double crochets. So double crochet in the first of those 15 chain stitches, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, make a double crochet in the third chain stitch, chain 1 in the 5th, chain 1 in the 7th, chain 1. Now we'll be making 2 double crochets in the next 8th stitch, a double crochet, chain 3 and a double crochet. And now we'll continue mirroring this side. We'll make chain 1, a double crochet in the 9th stitch, chain 1, a double crochet in the 11th, chain 1, a double crochet in the 13th. So every odd number. And the chain 1 and a double crochet in the last, in the 15th chain stitch, chain 1, make a single crochet in this chain 1 space, chain 1, and we'll begin working on the next array of the snowflake. On the next point, double crochet in the first chain stitch, chain 1 in the third, chain 1 in the 5th, chain 1, 7th, chain 1, and in the next chain stitch, we are making a double crochet, chain 3 and another double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet in the next chain stitch, chain 1, skip 1 chain stitch, chain 1, skip next chain stitch, chain 1, skip 1, make a double crochet, then chain 1 and a single crochet in the chain 1 space and chain 1 before working on the next point of the snowflake. Continue working this pattern, please. At the end, after making chain 1, make a slip stitch in this first beginning chain that we made instead of the first single crochet. And if you are going to use different thread for the last round, cut this white thread off. But of course, using white thread for the last round is also an option. In the last round, in each double crochet stitch, we'll be making a single crochet, chain 3, and a single crochet. And in each chain 1 space, a single crochet. In each chain 3 space, we'll be making 2 single crochets, chain 4, and 2 single crochets. And we'll also make a loop hanger in this round. The round can be started in any point, but preferably not here where we ended the previous one, so that you would not have to work in 2 threads at the same time. So I'm inserting the hook in a single crochet, and now working in this end of thread, I'm making a single crochet in the first chain 1 space. In the double crochet, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. In chain 1 space, a single crochet. In the double crochet, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. In the chain 1 space, a single crochet. And we'll continue like this, alternating, making 2 single crochets, chain 3 between them in each double crochet, and a single crochet in each chain 1 space. A single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet, a single crochet, a single crochet, chain 3, a single crochet. And now we go to this chain 3 space where we'll make 2 single crochets, chain 4 for a longer picot, and 2 single crochets. This way we are making 5 picots on each side and 1 picot here at the point. And now in a double crochet we are making a picot, a single crochet in chain 1, a picot, a single crochet, 2 single crochets in the double crochet, 1 single crochet, in chain one space. This is the last double crochet in this part. We have made 11 picots, and we got to the point where we have 2 chain one spaces. We'll be making 2 single crochets together like this, and then we can move on to the other side and make picots over each double crochet. I have made 5 picots here, and now we'll make a loop hanger. 2 single crochets and chain 30 approximately. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Now 2 more single crochets in the same space, and continue with the pattern, making a single crochet in the double crochet, chain 3, another single crochet in the same double crochet, single crochet and chain 1 space, and so on. Continue working this round. Do not forget to work this end of thread in, and also to make 2 single crochets together here around the single crochet of the previous round, and then cut off and weave in the end of the thread. The snowflake can be just ironed through cotton cloth or preferably starched. I have a video on my channel how to shape crocheted things. Please watch it if you need to learn how to make boiled starch or how to use white glue. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please push the like button. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, consider subscribing to be informed of all the new developments. Once again, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.